Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and without application you cannot manage ANC. You can only enable or disable it. Now let me click on it, and then right here we have ambient sound control, and then we need to put these earbuds to the ears. And now, then you need to enable ANC if you didn't. And right here we can change ANC level. So we have the slider, and to change it you need to tap at the place. You cannot move it. So as you can see right now I move, but it changed nothing. So I need to just tap at the place. Let's say I need this level. Or you can increase it by click at the right side. Now, right here also we have Adaptive Noise Cancellation, and to enable it you need to click at this slider if the slider have empty background. And if you select Adaptive Noise Cancellation, it will change ANC level depend of your background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.